Hello, my name is Aurora. I come from France.
Tidak Pundi. I would like to go to Kebon Pasinaon Living Museum. Do you know?
Oh, ngertos, ngertos.
Okay.
Ye, monggo kula dudukke.
Okay.
Monggo,
Terima kasih.
ya.
Okay.
Ampun.
And in France, I'm teacher for kindergarten. And I came in Indonesia because I have a dream to work first of all with orphan children.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Jumpa lagi.
Halo,
Selamat pagi.
selamat pagi.
This place here?
Oh yes, this right. This is Kebon Pasinaon Living Museum.
Okay.
And if you want to do something here, like what is doing by the people here, you must change your clothes first.
Okay, of course.
Okay.
I'll change my clothes.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Yes, I'm ready.
Oh yes, are you ready? Yeah. That's good. Let's go to do activity, something like people here do.
Okay, nice. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. The old wall that used to be the center of the government in Sirahan village,
Okay.
and now it is not being carried anymore because the owner has died.
Oh, okay.
So in first, I was in an orphanage in Semarang, and now I came to this non-formal school in next to Magelang.
Selamat pagi. Come on, play with me in the river.
Because I would like to see what is it a non-formal school. We don't have this in France, and I really enjoying my stay in this place.
Aurora,
Yeah.
this is a spring
Yeah.
that is people usually take water here
Okay.
to cook and to wash something. And the name of the spring is Kilongok.
Kilangong.
Every day, the woman here take the water from this spring.
Okay.
Because first of all, everybody are very nice, friendly, and they always smile. We can speak with them about everything. They are very open-minded. And I think if you want to come to Indonesia, you have to go there because it's a very peace village. You can have fun. You can see the typical Indonesian life.
Hi.
What is this dance?
It's Jadilan dance.
Oh, I came from France and I don't know that.
Oh,
Can
yes.
I join you?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Dance with
Yes, of course, it's okay.
You can very enjoying yourself and enjoying life in this place. I'm very sad to leave this place in few days, but I'm sure I will go back to this place.